Alright guys, so here's all of the stuff that I got to be that TikTok girl. Okay, so these were pre-existing. I already had these. I bought these from Bell's Outlet. They came in a group of 3. I want to say I spent like $9 on all 3. And then this I've had forever, but you know. And then I got this fridge storage bin set from TJ Maxx for $14.99. And then I got the same company, a smaller size, for $9.99. And then I got this little Lazy Susan for $5 at Target. The only concern I have is I'm going to try to loosen her up because she doesn't really spin. So we'll see. And then I got these little freezer fridge bins from TJ Maxx for $2.99. And then I got this big egg storage container for $5.99. So I got all that. This is the current state of my fridge. I should have shown you before because I was using these in there. So some stuff was in that basket, but honestly, the system just doesn't work. I also need to go grocery shopping. So I may be putting things in with the idea to put other items in there, but I just don't even have the items. So here's a before. It needs a good scrub down. I clean my fridge every week and it still gets so gross within the week. So okay, we're gonna get into this. So right now I'm gonna take everything out, clean it, make sure that nothing has expired. I do clean it weekly. I don't like take everything out. I usually just like clean around stuff. So I'm just gonna start doing that and then we'll go from there. I'm not going to show you the whole process because that's kind of boring. But yeah, I'm going to do that and I'll be back with you once I have everything out of the fridge. Here is the fridge completely bare. So now I'm going to be cleaning and just cleaning it, getting everything nice and refreshed. I kind of organize the things that are still good. This is all dirty dishes from what was in the fridge. And so I'm just kind of organizing things so that I can figure out how I want to organize it. I mean, there's a couple other things that we always have. So I need to like rethink some of the places and the placements of things. So here we go. Like, isn't she lovely? Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. That makes sense when I have no food. Oh. But I need to go grocery shopping, obviously. But I've organized it in a way that's like works for our family, essentially. So I have like easy, accessible snacks for the kiddos. And obviously I've got to eat more of that. This is where I'll put the like, we always get a lunch meat and then a cheese. Also going to think about making like prepared snack, like fruit and stuff like that for the kids, because that way they're just not like always needing me to cut up stuff, and it'll just be ready. And then that's it. So I'll give you an update once I actually fill it up, but that's pretty nifty. We'll see. I mean, I don't know. I think it'll work. We'll see. All right, I purchased these from Hobby Lobby, and they are going to be for like prepared fruit. So, see how that goes. There she is in all of her glory. We've got, I did Lunchables in this guy. And here I have like pepperoni, kielbasa, hot dogs. Down here I have strawberries that I cut and then in slices and then chunks, and then apples. That's in that little drawer. And then in these I have blueberries and then cut grapes. Then here I have like pasta, like gnocchi, and my tortillas. And here I have my raw meats. Then you come down here and we have all of our eggs. And then I have string cheese. So I kind of put this at the kids' level so that they could get to it. Breakfast, Jello, tangerines, Danimal smoothies. And then I just put extras in the back to refill. And then in here I have all of the lunch meats and sandwich and cheese stuff. And then I put in here is just like salad kits and veggies. And then in this drawer we have LaCroix, alcoholic beverages, and then juice boxes. Then up here we have like 12 million gallons of milk. We go through a lot of milk. And then some lemonade and some tea. We just have like butter, cream cheese, that kind of stuff. And then here we have the almond milk and just random other stuff for like breakfast, sort of. Here we have our homemade kefir yogurt and then water. And then over here we just have like random like pickled items and salsas. And then this is just other random condiments. I don't have a ton of condiments. We don't really keep a lot. We like use it and then get new ones. That's basically how we roll. And then down here is all of our coffee. There's some lemon juice, the, you know, kefir probiotic, but that's like our coffee little area. So that's it. I will keep y'all updated if I keep this up. I really think I will though, because this in itself is going to save me so much time. We've actually had it done for like 2 days. We just went grocery shopping, and the kids have been like just coming in and getting what they want, and that has been awesome. So there we go. Maybe I am that TikTok girl. We'll see.